Okay, somebody said they were having problems getting these things to hook together. Just take these off. Okay, we'll work with 2 of them. Let's see if I remember how they go together. So there's these 4 little pegs, and there are these little slots. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this. So there's 2 ways of putting it together. The 2 slots are due to two different positions. If you do the front slot, so it aligns. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, you can sort of see how that aligns with the front one. If it aligns with the front one, it should sort of slide together. Yeah, didn't quite align right. And then that stops it from sliding back and forth. You can still, if you pick it up, it kind of holds together. But you can see these are in line, like the difference of the backs. The second position, slightly offsets the whole thing. So you can see the whole thing's offset, but it keeps this straight. Not sure if that will help, but hopefully. The second way these can go together is side to side. So you can see these 2 grooves on the side and the corresponding connections. So this can be done by lining them up. Let's see. Let's go top down. Let's see if I can figure this out. So line it from the top. Get those started. Then they should push together. Then you have a longer piece. Hopefully that helps. I would check to make sure that the grooves look open and don't have any like plastic in them. So you can see the grooves. And then the big thing is you just line up the little notch here with that. Then it should go together. Hopefully that helps. Thank you.